Mopar A-body fans, Gauze Garage coming to you from 2024 Mopars with Big Daddy Don Garlits, and sitting before you is an ultra rare A-body. It's a 1971 Dodge Demon in Gringo, or what's called FJ6, which is a rare flavor. It happens to be my favorite flavor from Mopar. It's in the green family, like the Limelight that you saw on Richard Petty's cars, etc., etc., etc. But let's take a close look at this thing and how well it's prepared. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. It has all the correct bits. Look at that big fat radiator on there with the torque fan. That's called maximum cooling. And yes, this thing is correct. Let's take a look here. Yep, E55 FJ6. It is 340 for 71. And look how beautiful the work has been. This car came out of Detroit. The couple that owned it out of Detroit just recently moved to Florida within the last year, and they are enjoying this wonderful car. Take a look at the beautiful interior. Wonderful. Paint and body is just amazing on the thing. And you know, the Dodge Demon in 71 was a controversial nameplate. It was named after come in and take a demonstration on the car, so they shortened the name down to the Demon, and that's where you got this amazing nameplate on this amazing car in this beautiful color. Looking at it in the sun, it glows. And also, if you look up nose hood, these are functional. That comes from the scoops. The air comes down here, and when the hood closes, it coincides right with those scallops right there. So what you have is when you get up at 80, say 80, 100 miles an hour, that thing starts becoming functional, and it starts gulping air into the carburetor. So let's have a quick word. How long have you owned this car, sir?
1984.
Wow, you've owned it that long. Good for you, man.
40 years.
Yes. Did you know that the FJ6 or Gringo color would become so popular and so rare? Did you know it?
No, I just knew that a friend had an FJ6 or a sassafras because it was a duster.
Okay.
In high school, and I thought it was really cool then.
Yes.
So,
yes.
A long time ago.
Very good. Well, you know what? I have to tell you that this color on this car is very rare, very collectible, and it's up on the premium side of things, just so you know.
We enjoy it a lot.
Yes.
A lot of fun.
Yes,
a lot
yes.
of fun.
Well, you know what? You've got a beautiful car, and thank you for bringing it out for us to admire it.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Thank you. This is Gauze Garage coming to you from 2024 Mopars with Big Daddy. Thank you for tuning in. Ah, yes. And there you have it, as it would be on the street. For those of you that know, it's pretty much based on the 108-inch wheelbase Duster wheelbase, but it has the Dodge Dart front end. And that's what makes a Demon so different and so collectible and so beautiful. Thanks again for tuning in. This is Gauze Garage.